Everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import and visualize the Landsat 8 satellite imagery in Google Earth Engine. So now let's get started. So this is a Landsat 8 collection 2 Tier 1 top of the atmosphere reflectance. So the data availability is from 2013 to 2024. The data provider is USGS and Google. So this particular script can be used to access this particular data here. And it is a description about this Landsat 8 image. And these are the band details of Landsat 8 image. You can able to go through this. So now let me get back to my Earth Engine here. So now we're going to import and visualize the Landsat 8 imagery. So first we have to define a dataset as a Landsat 8, the collection 1, Tier 1, top of the atmosphere, the TOA, reflectance data. So to access this, to import this particular data into Earth Engine, we defined a variable called dataset equals to .image collection Landsat LC08 collection 2 Tier 1 top of the atmosphere. So now to filter with the dataset to include an image captured between the timeline of between January 1, 2017 to December 31st, 2017. So for that we define .filter date 2017 1, that is January 1 to 2017 December 31st. So next we're going to filter with specific study area. So for that we define .filter bound study area. So in our previous video I have shown you how to import a GIS shapefile into Earth Engine. So you can the link will be given in the description to how to import a GIS shapefiles into Earth Engine. You can go through this. So from the asset section, now we're going to import my study area shapefile. So this is my assets. This is my study area shapefile link here. I'm going to delete this. And now I'm going to import my study area shapefile, which is available in asset section and legacy asset. This is my study area shapefile. I'm going to click this. So now the study area shapefile has been imported into our Earth Engine. You can able to see here. Let me rename as study area. So now I have entered as study area. You can able to see that. And now we're going to filter with specific study area. For that we define .filter bound study area. So this particular function filters the dataset to include only the images within the specified area. And next, to visualize the property of this particular image, we define print dataset. And next we're going to set the visualization parameter for our Landsat 8 imagery. So for that we define variable true color 432. So 432 here refers to band 4, band 3 and band 2, which is a true color composite. So we define variable true color 432 equals to dataset dot select. So we're going to select band 4, band 3 and band 2 from Landsat 8 image. So this is band 4, band 3 and band 2. So we're going to start accessing this particular set of bands from Landsat 8 imagery, that is red, green and blue. So it selects band 4, band 3 and band 2 from the Landsat 8 dataset. So these band corresponds to a visible spectrum, enabling a creation of a true color composite. So next we have to define a visualization parameter. So for that we define variable true color 432 vis. So it defines a visualization parameter for the true color image. So we have to define a visualization parameter, that is we're setting a minimum value of 0.0 and to a maximum value of 0.4. So this sets a minimum and maximum value for visualization, controlling the brightness and contrast of the image. So for that we're defining the minimum and maximum value for this image. Next, to add this layer into our Earth Engine, we define map.center object study area refers to our study area shapefile. So which is we have imported here from our asset section and with the zoom level of 6. Next we have to add a layer into our Earth Engine. For that we define map.addLayer. So true color refers to, now to add this layer into our Earth Engine we define map.addLayer. True color 432 refers to this particular variable here where we have selected band 4, 3 and 2. And for the visualization purpose we define true color 432 vis. That is referring to this particular variable where we have set minimum and maximum value, and output the layer name as true color 432, that is true color composite. So it adds a true color image layer to a map with specified visualization parameter. This layer is labeled as true color 432, that is band 4, 3 and 2. So now let us visualize the result here. We're gonna run the script. We're gonna click this option called run. And now here you can able to visualize our image has been popped up here in the study area here. So this is our Landsat 8 image that is in true color composite. So in the console section you can able to see here there is an image collection. It is a Landsat image properties can be seen from here. So in the console section I'm gonna click this arrow, and now here there is a band details available here, and similarly there is a prop features list here. So these are the different Landsat 8 images. Let me click this arrow here and you can able to visualize the different property of this particular image. I'm gonna click this option here. So here you can able to visualize the different property of this particular Landsat 8 image, starting from collection number, data source, and ground control points. And there is a variety of this satellite properties, image properties are you can able to see here, and also the saturation band here, and WRS path through that is 144, UTM zone 44, WRS row that is 51, and WRS type is 2. So in this video I have shown you how to import and visualize the Landsat 8 satellite imagery in Google Earth Engine. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.